house cleaning. Nouns. Floor, man, hands, broom, dust, dirt. Verbs. Hold, sweep, clean. Adjectives. Dirty, dusty. Nouns. Man, clothes, pile, on the floor, washing machine, door. Verbs. Bend over, open, put in. Adjectives. Dirty, messy. Nouns. Man, nails, drilling machine, shelves, on the wall. Verbs. Work, drill, make, put up, put on. Adjectives. Busy, noisy. Nouns. Man, wall, shelves, dust, feather duster, cleaning cloth. Verbs. Dust, wipe, clean. Adjectives. Dirty, dusty, clean. Nouns. Man, sink, tap, dishes, dishwashing liquid, water. Verbs. Wash, rinse, dry. Adjectives. Dirty, soapy, clean. Nouns. Man, shirt, iron, ironing board, spray bottle, water. Verbs. Iron, spray. Adjectives. Creased, damp, neat. Nouns. In the supermarket, man, shopping cart, on the shelves, groceries. Verbs. Walk, push, take, put in. Adjectives. Large, full, necessary. Nouns. Man, table, plate, spoon, food, cup, coffee. Verbs. Sit, relax, eat, drink. Adjectives. Hot, steamy, fresh, tasty, delicious. Nouns. Man, floor, electric cord, vacuum cleaner, dirt. Verbs. Walk, push, vacuum, clean, suck in. Adjectives. Quick, dirty, clean. Nouns. In the kitchen, man, chef's hat, apron, on the stove, steam, pot, food, kitchen cupboard. Verbs. Stand, prepare, cook. Adjectives. Steamy, large, hot, fresh. Nouns. In the bedroom, man, bed, pillow, duvet, blanket, sheets. Verbs. Make bed, change, neaten. Adjectives. Clean, neat, comfortable. Nouns. In the garden, trees, man, along the path, boots, shovel, on the shoulder, wheelbarrow. Verbs. Walk, push, carry, wear. Adjectives. Hardworking, big, rubber, heavy.